This video will show you how to set up and program your Intermatic GM40AVE 7-day electronic time control. The first step is to reset the timer and clock by using a small object, such as a paperclip, to press the reset button. Now press and hold the clock icon button and the H+ button once to display the day and time. The clock will now show Monday at 12 a.m. If you are currently in daylight saving time, from March to November, press the +1H button. The clock will advance to 1 a.m. and +1H will appear on the right side of the screen, indicating that you are in daylight saving time. If you are not currently in daylight saving time, and it's between the months of November through March, you will skip this step. To set the hour, press and hold the clock icon button and press the H+ button to advance to the current hour. For this example, it's 8:10 a.m., so we will advance the hour to 8 a.m. To set the minute, press and hold the clock icon button and press the M+ button to advance to the current minute. Finally, to set the day of the week, press and hold the clock icon button and press the day button to advance to the current day. For this example, it's Tuesday. To set your first program, press the timer button. On the bottom left of the screen, you will see that you are on Program 1 and the timer is set to turn on. Now press the Day button to advance to the day or days of the week that you would like the timer to turn on. You can set an individual day, all of the days of the week, Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday, Monday through Saturday, or Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. For this example, we will set it for all of the days of the week. To set the hour for the timer to turn on, press the H+ button. For this example, we want the timer to turn on at 6:30 p.m., so we will set the hour to 6 p.m. Now press the M+ button to advance to the desired minute. To set the off event for Program 1, press the timer button to advance. You will now see 1 and off on the bottom left of the screen. For this example, we want the timer to turn off every day at 11 p.m. So we will keep all of the days of the week selected and press the H+ button to advance to 11 p.m. To set additional programs, press the timer button. You can set up to 7 on and off programs. To exit programming and display the current time and status, press the clock icon button. If you want to delete an event, press the timer button to advance to the desired event. Then press the OVR button. Don't forget to delete the off event for the program as well. To return to the current time and status, again, press the clock icon button. During fallback, you can press the +1H button to take the timer out of daylight saving time. The +1H icon will disappear from the right of the screen, and the current hour will go back an hour. During spring forward, you can press the +1H button again to put it back on daylight saving time. The +1H icon will return, and the current hour will advance. And if you have any questions or need help at any step in the process, you can call or email technical support at the contact information listed on the screen. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or visit intermatic.com for more tutorials.